In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the text-based editing in Adobe Premiere Pro. So once you have Adobe Premiere Pro opened, go to the Window menu and go to Workspace and change the workspace to text-based editing. And now this workspace makes it easier for us. So in the text-based editing workspace, we have our text window. Go to the text window and you will see up there, there's a button or tab called Transcript. Click on the transcript and click on the transcribe button. Let's give him some time and let it process the audio, and there you will have the transcription. Alright, so now you can select any part of the text and it will also select the part of that video from the timeline, and as you can see. So if there is a mistake that I've done, all I can do is just select that section and simply delete it from there. So instead of going through a long duration of audio files, you can easily edit your videos using the text-based editing. Check out my other Premiere tutorials in the description.